Hello, my name is Taya and welcome to Preston Audi. Today I'll be talking about this approved use Audi Q2 Sport finished in the modern Manhattan grey metallic paintwork. This 2022 model features a 35 TFSI engine paired with a manual transmission delivering impressive fuel efficiency. The top features include these striking LED headlights for great visibility, large 17-inch alloy wheels, electric folding wing mirrors, sleek 2 badging, and this is all topped off with rear parking sensors for awkward manoeuvres. This is alongside an electric tailgate that reveals a spacious 405-litre boot capacity for all your travel essentials, so you'll be covered whether it's a day out or weekend road trip away. Moving into rear, you'll find a luxurious full cloth trim for that comfortable look and feel. The front houses a multifunctional leather steering wheel complemented with a large central display and front full cloth seats. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital driving data, audio and telephone connection, and even a full view display of the built-in navigation system. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. Moving across, the large central display houses similar options, including various radio and telephone connection and navigation for assisted travels. You can also access Audi Drive Select, which offers a range of driving modes to suit you, whether it be for off-roading or simply for preferred driving style. Just below, the climate control distributes an even temperature for you and all your passengers to enjoy. This is alongside the central console that features central cup holders, a gear stick, and a central armrest that reveals a hidden compartment with an additional USB charging port. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.